That, I guess let's get started with just a general introduction of what is GDPR. So GDPR stands for the General Data Protection Regulation. It's an EU law that was implemented by the EU Parliament in 2016, effective as of May 2018. So the purpose of it is essentially to harmonize data privacy laws across the EU and also across the European Economic Area, which is a concept we'll discuss further. So why is GDPR important? So in today's world, more and more of our data or data about us is being proliferated on the internet, and that data is subject to many vulnerabilities and can be exploited in a number of ways. As an example, in 2017 and 2018, over a billion records related to personal data were lost in breaches of Facebook, Equifax, and Adhar. So as you see on this slide, every day, more than 6 million electronic records are lost or stolen. And individuals are increasingly wanting to retain more control over their personal data and to minimize or at least have knowledge of the ways in which corporations will use data about them. One thing to recognize is that GDPR is one of many laws of its type, and it's in some ways one of the forerunners of privacy laws to come. So as an example, different states in America are implementing their own privacy regulations and security regulations, such as California's Consumer Privacy Act, which is in many ways similar to GDPR and in some ways modeled after it. The New York cybersecurity requirements for financial services, and then other countries are implementing similar laws such as in China and in Brazil.
For more information, click on the link below or visit databrackets.com.